Baby chick update! It's time to clean out their brooder box. We realized very quickly their box needed to be cleaned out a minimum of once per week. Pine shavings can only handle so much, and baby chicks tend to be messy once they start to scratch around in the shavings. Our process each week has been to take each one out and put them into a separate bin temporarily while cleaning out their brooder. We dump the used shavings into our compost pile, but if you don't have one, you can always bag them up and put them in your trash pickup outside or scatter in your yard. We've been spraying out the bin really good and making sure to get any shavings or droppings out of their food. Next, we put down a fresh layer of pine shavings, making sure it's about 1 to 3 inches deep. Mowgli's getting very curious. Once everything is cleaned and fresh, it all gets put back into the brooder and is ready for the baby chicks to go back in. Depending on how many chicks you have and your brooder box setup, you may have to do this more or less often. I just always want to make sure we're giving them a happy and healthy environment to thrive in. Look at all those baby chicks. They're so happy. More updates to come.